In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change object color in Canva step by step. Whether you're working with shapes, icons, illustrations, or even photos, knowing how to adjust colors properly can completely transform your design. This is a super important skill if you want your graphics to match your brand colors or just look more professional. I'll walk you through changing colors for basic objects first, and then I'll show you how to adjust photo colors using filters and advanced settings. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about changing the color at shapes and basic icons in Canva. Start by opening your design and clicking on the object you want to change. This could be a shape, a line, an icon, or a simple illustration. Once you click on the object, look at the top toolbar. You'll see color tiles appear. These tiles represent the current colors used in that object. To change the color, simply click on one of the color tiles. A color panel will open where you can choose a new color. You can pick from the default colors, select a brand color, or click the plus icon to enter a custom hex code if you want a very specific shade. As soon as you click the new color, the object will instantly update. Now here's something important. Some icons and illustrations have multiple color parts. When that happens, you'll see multiple color tiles in the top toolbar. Each tile controls a different section of the design. To fully customize the object, click each tile one by one and adjust the colors individually. This gives you full control over how the final design looks. That's it for shapes and basic graphics. It's quick, simple, and gives you a lot of flexibility. Now let's move on to photos. Photos work a little differently because you can't directly click and change their color the same way you do with shapes. Instead, you'll use filters and adjustment tools. Start by selecting the photo in your design. Then click on Edit Photo in the top toolbar. This will open up Canva's photo editing panel. From here, you have several options. First, you can use color tint. This adds a colored overlay to your image, which is great if you want to match a brand color or create a specific mood. Next, you can try duotone. Duotone turns your photo into a two-color styled image. When you select duotone, you can customize both the highlight and shadow colors, giving your image a dramatic and modern look. If you want more precise control, go to Adjust. Inside the Adjust panel, you'll find the Hue slider. Moving the Hue slider changes the overall color tone of the image. This is perfect if you want to shift colors without completely overlaying them. You can also adjust saturation. Increasing saturation makes colors more vibrant, while decreasing it makes them more muted or even close to black and white. Combining hue and saturation adjustments can completely transform the feel of your image. And that's how you change object color in Canva, whether you're working with shapes, icons, illustrations, or photos. Once you get comfortable using color tiles and the edit photo adjustments, you'll have full creative control over your designs. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Canva guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.